Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Welcome to your computing class. Today we will be taking the second lesson of week number 6, right? So, the topic that we will be discussing today is very, very important. Why it's important? Because in today's lesson, we will learn about how we can search something wisely, right? Now, sir, what does searching wisely means? We will learn this in an interesting way. Let's say before starting the topic, we will be doing a small activity, and the activity is, let's say you are in a shopping mall, right? And you want to buy something, right? But you don't know what is the name of that thing. So how will you explain that thing to the shopkeeper? How will you tell him? Yes, think about it. Let's say you want to buy, um it can be a chocolate, it can be anything, whatever you want, right? It can be something to eat, it can be something on which we can write, something which with which we can play. So it can be anything. You want to buy that thing, but you don't know the name of that thing. So how will you explain it to the shopkeeper that you need that thing? Yes. Okay. Now, okay, fine. Now think about a situation in which you exactly know what the thing is. You go there and you tell the shopkeeper that, can you please guide me that I want this chocolate flavor. And sure, can you please guide me that where it is or in which rack it is, right? So would it be better to tell the name of that thing, or would it the other experience would be good when you know the thing, right? Now, the internet acts as a shopping mall. It's a big shopping mall, right? Or it also acts as a library. Now, you can take the second example or the second activity that you want to search or you want to read a book, right? You need a book for your assignment or for preparing your quiz, but you don't know the name of that book, right? And you went to a library, you enter into that and you tell the librarian that I want a book which is for numeracy, and in which we want to have the topics related to multiplication and division. So can you please tell me now, because there are bundles of books, right? Hundreds and thousands of books. So the person would ask you that, can you please tell me the name of that, the exact something like the name of the author, when it was published, or the name of the book. But you don't know anything, right? You just say that it's a numeracy book, right? Now would it be can the librarian help you? Would it be possible for him to find that book for you? No, right? Why? Because internet is a very similarly internet is a very big library. When you want to search something on internet, if you just type the terms which are very general, like I told you that you said the numeracy book, right? Now there are hundreds and thousands of numeracy book in a library. How can the librarian find the numeracy book that you need? So you are supposed to tell something more about that numeracy book, the name of the book, the name of the author, when it was published, how many pages it have, what are the topics that it contain, right? So if you will give some more information about it, it would be helpful for the librarian to find that particular book, right? Now, similarly, when you are searching something on internet, you are supposed to search wisely, right? Now what does this term means? That the things, okay, note down these things. What does the term, let's first understand what does the term wisely means, right? So the term wisely means that you must be having some knowledge about it, you must be having some previous experience about it, right? Your prior experience or your previous knowledge. This will help you to search something, right? Now, searching wisely mean that when you are searching something on internet, you must have some experience about it or you must have some knowledge about that thing, right? If you will use some general terms over there, some general words over there, if you will not use some keywords, you will not get the result that you want to be. Got it? Now, let's say I'm going to share the screen with you. Okay, this is the I have opened a web page for you. All of you must be familiar with this web page. It's the browser that I'm using is Google, and this is the web page on which we can search for something, right? There are two search bars over there. One is on the top and the one is over here in the middle of the page, right? And we can search over here anything. Now let's say I want to search over here that what is the importance of online learning, right? But instead of typing this, exactly what I want to know is importance of online learning. But instead of writing it, let's say if I just write online learning over here, now I have so many results of that, and it contain information related to anything about online learning. What is online learning, the rise of online learning, how to learn online, introduction to online learning. But what I want to know was what is the importance of this. So can you find a specific search related to that over here? Look at this web page. No, there is no, right? Now let's say now if I type particularly the importance of online learning. Now look at this. Do we have the results that we want to be? Advantage and importance of online learning, importance of online classes, why is online learning so important, 9 benefits of e-learning, advantage and disadvantage. Can you look the difference between both of these searches? So, searching wisely on Google or on internet means that whatever you want to search for, the particular information that you want from the Google, you are supposed to search or you are supposed to use the keywords for that search, right? If you will not be using the keywords, it will not be able to the Google will give you the a lot of bundle of information because it's a very big library basically, right? So you will have a lot of things. Now this depends on you that what are the keywords that you use, right? So searching wisely mean now see, I have this knowledge. When you will have or you can think about the importance of this lecture, because now you have learned this, now you know that this is very important that we use the keywords. Now for the next time when you will be searching for something, you will first think about the keywords and then you will search for that, right? So why are we starting this lecture, why are we discussing this? Because it's now we are living in the era of internet, we are living in the era of technology, and we are very much dependent on all of these things, right? Like you are taking these online lectures, you are supposed to do your assignments, quizzes online as well. So if you will not know this, that how to search something on internet would not be a helpful thing for you, right? So whatever we want to search for, this is very important, that what are the key terms, what are the keywords that we should use over there, right? So that we get the required results of that, right? So whenever you are searching for something, use the exact words. Now I'm giving you another example. Let's say I want to search um the 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 advantages, or let's say I want to know the different plantation different plantation crops. Okay, I want to know about them. Now it says that for plantation about crops includes our bananas, cocoa, coconut, coffee. Instead of this, let's say I just write over here crops. It would give me the knowledge of every type of crop, right? Let's say if I want to search over here for deep rainforest animals, I want to know about them, right? I specifically want to know about the rainforest animals. Now the results which are over here are 11 amazing rainforest animal enchanted learning for primary children, for National Geographic, list with pictures, right? Now let's say instead of writing rainforest animal, if I just write animals, it would tell me about anything which is related to animal. If there is any movie over there, it will show me that. If there is a document over there, it will show me that. If there are some pictures, anything which is related to this term. So to get the specific result, to know what I want to, I'm supposed to write the exact word. Now when I write rainforest animal, it will show me the results which would only related to this. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Got it? Now, what you are supposed to do, whatever browser you have, either it's Google or anything else, just open it, right? Go to the search bar and search for something. Let's say you want to search for, think about any topic which you want to search for. Then first search it by using some general words, right? And then use the specific words that you want to search for and tell me what are the differences. Do you get the do the answers or do the results that you get on internet, were they same in both cases or were they different, right? So hurry up, open your browsers, go to the search engine and search for a topic. The topic can be of your choice, you can choose anything about it, okay? And then let me know what are the differences. Hurry up. Yes, Sarah, are you working? Any confusion? Any help needed? No? Okay, great. So all of you are done? Okay, share your experience with me one by one. Yes. What are the results you have, Alize? Yes. They were totally different. Okay. And what was the topic you searched for? You searched for racing cars. And then the general word you used was only cars. Excellent. See, the general term is only cars, but if you want to specifically know about racing cars, you would use the term racing cars. Got it? Now, is this clear to you? Okay, great. So class, that was all for today. What we have learned today is very important, that how we can search something specifically on internet, and for that what are the key terms that we should use to get the required result, right? So hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.